Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another empties for you. Today is going to be household empties. A lot of these are repeat purchases and I'm just going to say that they're great because they are. And a few new items added to the mix. So first we're going to start with kitchen items. And I've started to flatten my boxes because they store better and you can fit more in a bag when you're doing your empties. So I have two of the Good Scent handle bags, the vanilla scented ones from DollarTree. These are amazing. Everyone I watch that does hauls and things like that love these. These are great. The next item I have is the aluminum foil sheets, and yes, mine always looks like a bear got a hold of it. I don't know what's y'all's secret to getting this thing to peel off perfect, because I can never get mine to peel off perfect. These are great pan liners, great for leftovers. They have a shiny side and a non-stick side, and I do love these as well. Also for the kitchen, we have the Scrub Buddies Nail Guard Sponges, the 6-pack. I always repurchase these. I love these for my dishes. I love these for cleaning. And 6 for $1, you cannot beat that. You can pick one up, get it nasty, dirty, grimy, throw it away, pick yourself up another one. You don't break the bank with these, and I think they're great. They also help protect your manicure. I have way less chippage towards the on my nails and stuff because of this nail guard sponge. Then we have paper towels, and these are just the custom size ones, the 140 count. I actually really like these. I don't mind the half size paper towels, so I continue to buy the half size. I like these. And this came from Walmart, not Dollar Tree, but you can buy this Palm Olive Ultra Strength at the Dollar Tree. It's a 10-ounce bottle. This one is the 20-ounce bottle. This has took the place of my blueberry and almond just because the performance of this product is out of this world. This is the quickest cutting grease dish soap I've ever used. I am loving it. So I've repurchased several bottles of this already, and I'm going to continue to repurchase this. It's amazing. Okay, moving on, I have laundry stuff. You already know I love these in wash fragrance boosters. This is the Fresh Scent, so no surprise I went through 2 of those. Absolutely love this scent booster. I did go through 2 of these, but I already threw one of them away. But Ellie's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener. This stuff is, in my opinion, really good. 64 ounces, 2 capfuls in your larger loads. That's pretty typical. I get, I would say, around anywhere from, depending on the load, 12 to 15 loads out of this. And I honestly don't mind that because I think this product performs, and I've enjoyed it for a few years now. So I'm going to continue to purchase this. It works. Okay, still in the laundry stuff, these are 2 of my favorite fabric sheets, and I know that I don't have to buy these because the laundry detergent I use actually has fabric softener in it, but I just personally like to. So the Breezy Black Jasmine Lotus, 55 sheets. This smells amazing. Same as this one, the Swabital, 20 sheets though, in the vanilla scent. This one is so nice. The scent, like, if you love vanilla, like, you're hands down, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. 20 sheets for $1, 55 sheets for $1. Moving on to the bathroom, I have the Strong and Soft bath tissue, 4 rolls, 2-ply. I buy 3 to 4 packs of this at the Dollar Tree every month, every time I go and do my monthly stock up for the house. And I like this bath tissue. I don't think it leaves behind fuzzies. It's not abrasive, it's not tough, and I think for $1 it's a decent toilet paper. I've definitely used worse toilet paper than this Dollar Tree brand. And I have one of these solid air fresheners from Glade, and this in the fresh linen scent. I love this scent for my bathroom. It's very strong. These work wonderful in small areas, and you can find these at Walmart and Dollar Tree for just $1. And then I picked up a new Scrub Buddies toilet brush, And this also has a brush with a holder, which I thought was really awesome. This is my third repeat purchase of this product, and these work fantastic. I mean, the handle's a little flimsy, but overall though, a toilet brush and a holder for only $1 that actually works. It's a really good deal. Moving into the last bit of items here, I have a box of tissues, and the allergies have been bad lately. I always buy a box anyways, but lately the allergies have been kicking our butts, and these are nice and soft, and you get 148 in the Scotty's brand, 2-ply, and these are nice. They do what they're supposed to. Now this time around I decided to save medicines and stuff to share with you that I actually use from the Dollar Tree that actually work. These are just Band-Aids, but I bought Band-Aids and I keep them in a big Ziploc bag, just a couple boxes of them from the Dollar Tree for the kids and, well, for myself, you know, if I need one. Nerf Band-Aids, the boys seem to really be into these. There's only 14, but they liked those. And these are fantastic. These are the Curad ones, but you only get 10. Very great, durable Band-Aid. Highly recommend those. And these, you know, the kitty ones are just okay. These are high quality. Okay, first medicine up is the Assured brand Allergy Relief. This is comparable to Zyrtec, and this is our second bottle of these. They work. You do only get 12 doses in here, but 12 doses for $1 that actually work. They're fine. They're fine. They're generic, but they work. So I do recommend those. If you're needing a low dose aspirin, these are fine as well. You get 40 in here for 81 milligrams. And the Assured brand Daytime Cold and Flu. Connor recently went through a little bit of flu, and he is old enough now where he can take half doses of the adult medicine according to the directions. Anyways, this stuff, I can't tell you how many times I've repeat purchased this Daytime Cold and Flu because over the years, because it actually does work. And this says it's comparable to Vicks Dayquil, and honestly, I mean, it works. It works. It clears out your sinuses. It's also alcohol free, non-drowsy, and this says it relieves aches, fever, sore throat, cough, and nasal congestion, and it absolutely does all of that. Last but not least, I have this Home Essentials mesh laundry bag, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm using it for an unconventional reason, but there's 3 in here. One of them I plan to use for cleaning my reusable cotton pads and magic makeup eraser kind of things, and I'm using that for that. That's fine. It keeps them all together. I don't like them, you know, going willy-nilly all over the washer. These are 100% polyester, and they have a zipped closure on them as well, you guys. They're 12 inches by 15 inches. And the other reason is pool skimmers. I know this is totally out there, but stay with me. Pool skimmers are like $23 and above at Walmart. I'm not paying that much for a pool skimmer. So I had this brainstorm that if I found some mesh, and I already have a PO out there, that I would put this mesh on the PO that I already have and make my own pool skimmer. Guess what? It worked, and it was less than $1 to achieve with products I already had and buying a 3-pack of mesh laundry bags. Yes, and I used a clothespin to clip it to the pole, and it works. It works, y'all. It gets the grass out of the pool. It gets any kind of little bug out of the pool. Whatever's there. It worked fantastic, and none of it slipped through the holes. Just a little idea for y'all. But one more item to add into this Empties. I literally just finished using this last night, and it's the Swaddle Complete, and this has the stain shield in it, and this is in Sunshine Bloom. The scent is very strong. It does linger in your laundry, your clothes. You get 12 loads. That's 1 cat full per load. I do think that it helped with stains as well. And it has color protection, fewer wrinkles, irresistible softening and freshening, and easier stain removal. And so far I'm loving this. I just bought another bottle of this in a different scent to try out at the Dollar Tree, and so far this has been a fantastic product. So that is my household empties. Hope you enjoyed it, found some products you want to try out. If you have any other comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.